Vauxhall Corsa water leak found video. Okay, so the water comes down here and gets inside here, but it comes out of the box section there. And a bit of a quiz this one, but there's two places. So there's a split in the bodywork on this bit here. Gentleman's had that done. It's already sealed a crack there. So I want to show you what it's like on the other side. You can see there that you've got some body joining product, and I think that just breaks a little bit. But interestingly enough, that can be fixed, and you can see that the scuttle area has been removed, so it's fairly reasonably easy to get to. You have to remove this properly to get there, but there's a hole there, the drain hole, and the drain hole leads the water through there. And then the trick is that there is another bit this side. So if I put that camera right up there, we've got a light in there, and I can't really see. That's because that's over there. So let's see if I can see it. But basically the crack carries on down, so I've got the torch there, and the torch is shining on the seam, and the seam now below the hole is opened up as well. So we have to break it away and get that fixed. James is just going to put some water in there and show the water going in the car to the footwell. If I take the light, he's going to put the water in that little crack, and you'll see it coming into the car. It's got a special wand to do that with, and then I'm just going to film it coming in so you can see. And can you see it filling up at the bottom there? So basically the crack goes past where you can actually see it from the top. So we've had to take the wheel off, obviously, and the inner arch, and get to the problem, and we're going to recommend that this is fixed on both sides, even though it's not leaking on the other side yet. Okay, another water leak found by new again. We're based in Chelmsford, Essex. Okay, thank you.